Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Panda Beauty, and in today's video I am doing this look right here, an Indian inspired look that I wanted to create for my favorite Indian suit that I have. And yeah, I've been wanting to do more videos like this where I show you outfits and makeup looks and things like that. I don't know how much I can keep up with it, but wish me luck and cross your fingers for me so I can do more videos like this. So yeah, in this video I'll be showing you my makeup look that I've done in this video and show you my jewelry and things like that and my outfit to see what it is, what it looks like, and how I made this whole thing work. Anyway, if you like what you see, then keep on watching and I'll show you the whole thing and show you all the products I've used for this makeup and how I use them and what I used, all that good stuff. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to go in my Bobbi Brown Vitamin E Enriched cream. It acts like a primer and I'm just going to massage that into my skin. Next I'm going to do is take my first Soleil and just drop a few drops on my face to give myself good hydration. It's a beautiful product. I'm just going to massage this all over my face and then pat it into my skin. I will do my eyes first, and I'm going to try this NARS smudge proof eyeshadow base. Just want to see how it is. It's white in color, so I'm gonna spread that all over my eyelid with my ring finger. It feels really sticky. I don't know if I'm supposed to set it with like a translucent powder or something. I'm just gonna do my concealer on top as well. So for my concealer, I'll go in with my NARS. This is the Creamy Radiant, and I'm gonna put that all over my eyelid. And I'm going to take my beauty sponge, just going to spread that. Okay, because of that primer underneath, my concealer looks a little patchy, but that's all good. Because I'm going to go extreme today, I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty translucent powder. Mine is Sugar Cookie, and not a huge fan of this color because it is light on my face, but it's good for a really intense look. For today's look, I'm gonna go in with my Norvina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I have been loving using this palette, so I want to play with this more. And I believe that this palette has pretty much all the colors that I really want to use today, except the brown. There is not enough darkish brown, so I might use another palette for that. But I really love the rose gold, the copper color, and the gold. It's, yeah, just mwah. The first color I'm going to use is going to be my base color, and it's going to be Incense. Incense is going to go all over my crease and my eyelid. Just taking a small sort of dome brush. And first I'm going to start off with my crease. With the same brush, I'm going to go in with this color called Passion, and I'm going to take this color above my crease and kind of define my eye shape. I'm going to go in my Nuditude palette. This is by The Balm, and I'm going to use this dark as color right here. It's called Sleek. It's a very dark brown. For this eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with a small sort of flat brush. This will be a nice one to pick up the color and drop it on my eyelid. I'm taking very little. I'm gonna tap off any extra and I'm just gonna place it on the outer corner. I'm not blending the color at the moment, I'm just placing it. Alright, after placing that eyeshadow, I'm going to go in my dark color again. And I'm just going to go and blend the dark brown and the brown together. Alright, I'm gonna go in my rose gold, which is called Rose Gold. And I'm just gonna take it on a sponge applicator. I don't want to use my fingers because I've got long nails. I have a feeling I might poke myself in the eye. So I'm just gonna press this rose gold in the empty area on my eyelid. And I'm kind of merging that rose gold with the darker eyeshadow that I have. so they don't have any gaps and they kind of look kind of like merged nicely instead of kind of like a block sort of color. Alright, I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in color orange and color correct my skin. For my foundation today, I'm gonna go in with my True Match by L'Oreal. I'm just gonna take a brush and just put this foundation all over my face. I'm going to go slightly heavier because it is Indian makeup that I'm doing. Indian makeup, it's like a wedding party sort of makeup. It's usually heavy. Well, I think it's usually heavy. I'm gonna take my beauty sponge and just spread the product. I'm gonna go in with another layer of my True Match foundation. This time I'm gonna take my Glow Recipes mist, face mist. I'm gonna spray this all over my face. And without drying, I'm just gonna press this product into my skin. This will make my foundation more heavier without looking heavier. So if you do this technique, you can do this technique for any look really, but just make sure that your foundation is the right type to work. All right, I want my under eyes to be really, really highlighted. I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm just gonna add 2 dots and a little dot on my forehead, my nose, and my chin. And I'm gonna take my beauty sponge and just spread that product, and I'm kind of making it into like a triangle sort of shape, upside down triangle. I'm just bringing the product down to my cheekbones. And now I'm gonna go in my Huda Beauty and I'm going to bake my under eyes and any other place I've put my concealer. I'm gonna take my beauty sponge and dip that in there, and I'm just gonna put it I don't leave Huda Beauty translucent powder on my face because I tend to get like a white sort of hue. So what I do is I'll take enough and press it into my skin so there is no white stuff left on my face. Even though I didn't bake it, I can still kind of see white hue underneath my eyes. But we'll just have to work with this. I love this powder because it's really blurring, but I suppose it's a good thing. It gives you like a nice highlight, like a white sort of highlight, but I don't like it. I was gonna give me a chisel around my mouth, but I'm too scared it's gonna look too white. Now I'm gonna smoke out the bottom lashes, and I'm gonna go in with the darkest color, which is Passion. And I'm gonna take the same brush that I had Passion on, and I'm just gonna buff it out underneath my lash line. And in the Balm palette, I'm going to take that dark color. Doesn't matter if you change the brush or not, I'm going to keep the same brush because I do want the brown and the dark brown to merge together. I'm just going to, on the outer corner, start with the dark brown and kind of blend it out towards the inside. But I'm just coming just 1/3. Next, I'm going to go in with my Lakme eyeliner. It's the liquid one. I'm just going to draw a wing eyeliner. And I'm going to use that corner V as my guideline for my eyeliner. And now I'm going to go and take the same eyeliner and kind of put it on my waterline, but I'm putting it on my lashes where they come out, if that makes sense, instead of my actual waterline. And I'm gonna stop where my lashes stop. Now I'm going to take my Clarins eye pencil and I'm just going to put this in my actual waterline. And I'm not going to bring it all the way in, I'm just gonna go halfway and just stop. because slowly it will spread. So I don't want to overpower it. Just want to stop it halfway through. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm going to use my Shiseido lash curler. Now I'm going to go in my Clarins mascara. This is Supra Volume, one of my favorites. Really nice to give you the volume and the curl. Now I'm going to do my brows, and for my brows I'm going to use my Mecca Max pencil. And just first I'm going to brush my brows. I'm just going to take this spoolie again and brush my brows through so that there's no extra product in there and my brows look nice and bushy. For my bronzer, I'm going to go in my Too Faced bronzer. It's the chocolate gold little thing. I'm just going to shape my face with this bronzer and also sort of warm my skin. It smells like chocolate. Next I'm going to go in is my Zoeva Aristo palette, and this one I'm going to choose this color right here. This is called Demeter. I don't even know what that is. This color is really pigmented, so I'm going to put very little and then buff it out. And for my highlighter, I'm going to go in my Fenty Mini Hustla Baby. Looks like this. I'm just going to use my finger for this one and just give myself a nice highlight. And I'm going to take a flat brush and take the highlighter on that. I'm just going to put it on my brow bone and kind of mix them together. My highlight over here and from my brow bone. Same thing on this side. I'm going to take the same brush and do highlight in my inner corner. It's very subtle. I don't want too much of harsh sort of inner corner. And my Cupid smooth. I'm just going to take my Lakme eyeliner. I'm just going to hide my lash band. And then I'm going to go in with my mascara and spread my lashes and also kind of merge my fake ones with my real ones. I'll push them upward so you can see the tips. For my lips, I'm going to go in with my Becca lip liner and just draw my lips. And now I'm going to go in my ColourPop. This is I Love Sarahi X ColourPop. And on top of that lipstick, I'm going to go in my Revlon. This is one of my favorites. It's called Embrace. This is their liquid mattes. I really hope they still do this. I bought like 3 of them when I bought this. This would add a little bit of pinky sort of tinge to it. And now I'm going to go in and spray my Glow Recipes Mist again. I'm just gonna wear my jewelry now, and I'm gonna go in with this. This is actually quite old. I bought this with the suit that I'm gonna wear. Wow, they feel really heavy. I don't usually wear a lot of heavy jewelry, so this feels like heavy as. How pretty are they though? They're so gorgeous. I don't know what to do with my hair. I would have to wear my top first and then I'll see if I like it. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is my Indian suit. It is one of my favorite things ever. And now I don't know if I do want my tikka. I don't know. I feel like it's a little too much. I think I'll avoid it for today because I really don't know what to do with my hair. What if I wear a bindi? I think this will be the right one. Oh, I feel like I need to wear a little bit more pinkier lip. Should it be a bit up? Nope, I don't like it. I think it'll do there. I do have a beautiful ring here, and I might wear this on my ring finger. I've got my wedding rings and then my... And let me show you my outfit. Alright guys, so this is my outfit. I'm so sorry I am showing you still photos. I did have a video, but the lighting was pretty crap, so I'd rather not put that in. But as you can see, this is my suit. You can see the little embroideries on it, and the scarf's quite cute and simple. I didn't wear too much of jewelry, but obviously you can if you wanted to. And I wore pink shoes with it because they're cute and they're one of my favorites. So yeah, this is my outfit. Alright guys, so this is it. You've seen my makeup look, you've seen my outfit, you've seen my jewelry, all that good stuff. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Maybe you found it fun, entertaining, maybe you learned some tips and tricks from it. Maybe this look will give you some ideas what you can do for your next Indian sort of party or Indian sort of occasion, festival, I don't know. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure that you do subscribe. Share this video with someone who would also maybe find this video helpful, fun, entertaining, and follow me on my social media, which is Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook, which is Panda Beauty. Until next time, hope you guys have a beautiful day. Be happy and be positive. I'll see you guys later. Bye.